Malade. Oh, how's it going, everybody? Ooh, it is Taz here from the Good Old Fashioned segment. Today, I got something that was pretty radical. By radical, I mean rad. Let me move this down so you can see it. Oh, my floor is not clean at all. So I got rollerblades today. Yay! Thought about it. I was like, should I start giving up on that? Because I got ones that are, the other ones, they're kind of pricey. These ones were aggressive. I always wanted to do aggressive. These ones were half off. They don't look particularly spectacular to any extent, but they were like $112 and no taxes, except now they're gonna be taxed because the whole Supreme Court decision on you get to tax out-of-state things, so that's a thing now. Unfortunately, but fortunately, you know. Alright, let's get this thing open. Ah, should have brought a knife. These are a size 12. I'm kind of 12 and a half, but let's see if it works. Oh shoot, I forgot it was rollerblades. So yes, these are rollerblades from the company Rollerblade, just like the last ones were. Alright, size 12. Awesome. Didn't have to pay for shipping, got it from, what is it? Inline, I think it's just inlineskates.com. Yep, like inlineskates.com. Free shipping over anything $49. I got it Sunday night at like midnight. So it is Saturday. I got them today or yesterday. But anyway, so it's cool. They give you a little return slip. It's nice in case like you get the wrong size or something. You probably still gotta pay for it. You can return any new and unused item in the condition it was received for up to 1 year hassle-free. New items will need to be returned in their original manufacturer's packaging along with tag intact. As soon as you know you are not satisfied, you may return. I think they have like an insurance thing, like you pay $30 and then like if it doesn't fit, then they'll cover everything. So alright, I don't plan on getting anything here. This is just the receipt. Alright, so first person who wants to use it, $10 off, there you go. Oh, yep, there you go. Whatever that code is. It's a Saturday, so I'm super lazy today. Oh, the Swindler. I could make a joke, but that would be offensive. And I don't want to be offensive. Oh my goodness, look at that, here they are. Shoot, these are bigger than I was expecting. I mean, rollerblades usually are though. Alright, so nothing too spectacular, just black and white, but it's pretty nice. Whoa. So when it gets jacked up, yeah, like the first pair you get, they're gonna, especially if you cannot rollerblade, they're gonna get messy. So yeah, expect that. So alright, rollerblade, looks like a spider on the inside, kind of. It does not have a strap here like the other one does, just has this top strap. So yeah, these are wheels too. These ones will not spin. The black ones, the middle ones, don't spin. They're just for balance when you're grinding on stuff. These ones do, however, and they are 60-90. How big are they? These ones are super small compared to like the wheels on a what's it called? An urban skate? Yeah. Then you got those Olympic skates. Have you seen the 3-wheel skates? Those are new. Anyway, Class A, UK, everything's good. These do not come with brakes. Trying to make sure you guys can see this. It should be good. I can, yeah. Awesome. $112. So these are like, well, do some quick math. $50, $55 a piece. Comes with a little manual. In like Roman, Finnish, Norwegian, Spanish, German, and then English. As I say, don't go too fast. Remember, you can quickly gain speed downhill. That is true. I was rollerblading yesterday at the Long Beach Convention Center, and I started going downhill, and I just dropped. Get some football pads. That's what I do. Put the football pads on, and then just put on shorts over that, and just wear the hand things, and then try not to land on your head, and you'll be okay. That isn't legal advice, so don't sue me. Come with these two. If you know what these are for, these are just to, if you need to get the wheels out or something, replace them. You know, you wait so long, you just take it, flip it, and put it that way. Or sometimes with the urban ones, the bigger ones, the 4-wheel ones, you're supposed to like put them on the opposite rollerblade or something. I don't know, because with the other ones and even these ones, the best way to stop without brakes is you just take this one and then you just drag this foot along the ground. And unless you can like skate backwards and then stick this out like that, which is hard to do, but I've done it a couple times, but don't try it downhill. All right, now I'm gonna try these on. The side has pressure. This one's kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a piece of the cushion, because I think it's kind of toggling like that, and then there's a flap through the middle, and you can kind of see the side on it coming up, which I don't mind, but I want to move around a bit. All right. Do not recommend riding these around in your house. Crisscross walk. Okay, so the wheels are really small comparatively to the others, so good news is you shouldn't be able to speed up that much unless you go really aggressively. But whoa. Yeah, these are not as, at least what I'm saying, they're not as maneuverable. Let's get a thumbnail right there. Psh. All right. Whoop. See my bell bottoms, my red bottom shoes, white bottom. Yeah, what you know? I think red bottom's top shit. I got white bottoms. Psst. Anyway, that's about it. I'm not gonna grind at my house, you know. You don't where you eat. Ugh. But I'll make a review on them, like what seems to be harder to travel over with smaller tires and stuff, if it seems harder or easier, how fast you can go. And maybe we'll make a skate montage, get that selfie stick. Subscribe if you like the video, like the video if you like the video, and catch up with me later. Boo. But yeah, good news is, so these are gonna get jacked up, but since they're black, nobody cares. Hey, race joke.